All right, I'm back, and for those of you who are following my channel, you know it is time for this month's market report. And for those of you who are not following my channel, shame on you. You should resubscribe, click the bell, get notified, because I do market reports every month. I do videos all about the area, real estate related, businesses, all sorts of things in the Saratoga and surrounding area. So make sure you subscribe. Don't miss out on any of those future videos coming out. And as for everybody else here, we're going to get right down into our market report. And before we get started here, because I get some people contact from here and there, if there's not an area in here that you're interested in, comment below on what areas you'd like to see, and I can always add it to the market report, or I could do your own private video and I can get that sent out to you. I'd be more than happy to do that. But just comment below, let me know what areas you want to hear about, and I'll get that right out to you. So here we go. We're going to get started right in here. We're going to talk a little bit about Saratoga. So the Saratoga average sales price, month of August 2022, straight from the MLS. Here we go. So average sale price was $496,000. So that's another drop. So remember, Saratoga was really high a couple months ago, and it's kind of come down the last few months, down from 530. So dropped a little over 30,000 again this month. Days on the market, and this is going to be a trend. It's a spoiler alert that I'm giving you right here, but days on the market went down to 12 days on the market, which it was almost just under 3 weeks earlier. Number of active listings right now currently on the MLS, at the time I pulled this up, was 123 active listings, which is up from 113. So that jumped about 10. Pretty decent number of listings we got in that area as well. So new listings, 61, stayed flat, same exact as the previous month there, the month of July. And the number of solds went up a little bit, went up to 50, which is up 5 from the previous month. So heading down south, Clifton Park. Here we go on this one. Average sales price, it went up here in Clifton Park to $422,000, up from $404 in the month of July. Days on the market stayed the same, 13. So there's really no change on that one. Actives, we got 49 actives, which is about the same. It was 48 the previous month. New listings, again, we got to jump up here in the new listings. We got 49 new listings. Compared to the previous months of 39. So that jumped up 10. And the number of solds up to 52 from 45. So let's head down here. We're going to check out the capital. We got Albany in here. Average price, and it seems to be steadily going up here in Albany here. So if you're in the Albany area and you're thinking of selling, pay attention to what we got to talk about here, because this is going to pertain to you, because we've got $291,000 the average sales price in Albany, up from $274,000 the previous month. Days on the market is up there as well to 12. It's up almost 5 days, so just under a week it jumped up right there. Active listings, 122. It slipped a little bit at 129 from the previous month. And then we've got new listings, 86 new listings, which has dipped in the Albany area. So again, here it was down from 118. So my sellers, less ones coming on the market here, but number of active listings dropping a little bit. Let's see what it has for the number of sold. 87, which was 86 the month before. So it seems the demand is staying about the same if you go by the number of sold, but the number of active is down and the number of new listings are down, which means if you're looking to sell in that area, it might be a good time. Seems to be the demand is staying the same, but the supply is dropping in Albany. So let's go ahead and look here. Boston Spa, 395,000, pretty big jump. I think that's the winner for this week because it was 340 before that. So it's a little over 50, I think about 55,000 there for the jump at Boston Spa. Active days down significantly, down from just over a month in the month of July at 33 days, down to 10. So a week and a half roughly. So that's a significant change on that one. Number of actives, 54, which is about the same. It was 56 the month before that. New listings, that dipped down a little bit as well by 12. It's down to 28 new listings this month. And we got the number of sold actually went up by 2. So it's roughly the same to 26. And now again, Queensbury. Let's talk about this a little bit. Average sales price in Queensbury, $405,000, which is up from $380. Days on the market is up to 13, just under 2 weeks, up 2 days from the previous month. Active listings are at 38, so that's dipped slightly from the month before. And number of new listings, about the same again. It was 32, which is up a little bit because it was 31 the month before. So, and the number of solds Also up in Queensbury, up to 25 from 22. So, you know, it is going up a little bit, but it's roughly about the same. It's not a significant jump to get all excited about there, but the new listings are staying relatively the same in most of the areas. It went up a little bit in Clifton Park. It dropped in Albany, but they had quite a significant amount there. Average sales prices, again, it dipped in Saratoga, but I think all our other places, they all went up in those areas. So Saratoga seems to be coming down a little bit. So could that be maybe inflated a little bit from some, you know, high-priced properties selling in previous months? Possibly, but that's coming down a little bit as well. So there we go. That's the monthly market report. Remember, if there's an area on here that you want to see me cover, I can send your own personal video, or I can add it on next month, depending on how many people want to see it. Just comment below, let me know, and I'd be more than happy to send that out to you. So, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're getting all the updates as they're coming out. You're not missing anything. So, again, Chris McMahon, I'm with eXp Realty, and I'll see you guys on the next video.